Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Camry maintenance light. First, get into your Camry and insert your key, turning it to the first ignition position without starting the engine. Next, locate the trip meter or odometer button on your dashboard, typically near the speedometer. It's important that the engine remains off for this initial step to ensure the reset process begins correctly. Now, press and hold the trip meter or odometer button firmly. While you are still holding this button, turn the ignition key to the second position. Do not start the engine. Continue to hold the odometer button for approximately 10 seconds. During this time, you might notice the maintenance light begin to flash or hear a soft beeping sound. You should observe the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to flash, and then it will turn off. Once the light is completely extinguished, you can release the odometer button. The multi-information display may show a series of zeros or a message like "Resetting complete," confirming that the maintenance data has been successfully initialized. After the reset is complete, start your Toyota Camry's engine to verify that the maintenance light is now off. If for any reason the light remains on, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to fully register. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.